Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 simple steps to start investing for beginners. Whether you're new to investing or you're looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Set your investment goals. The first step in starting to invest is setting your investment goals. What are you investing for? Is it for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just to grow your wealth? Having a clear understanding of your investment goals will help you choose the right investments and stay focused on your objectives. Step 2. Create a budget. The second step is to create a budget. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can ensure that you have enough money to cover your bills and other expenses, while also saving for your investments. Step 3. Choose your investments. The third step is to choose your investments. There are many different types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Each investment has its own risks and rewards, so it's important to do your research and choose investments that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Step 4. Open an investment account. The fourth step is to open an investment account. There are many different types of investment accounts to choose from, including individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and education savings accounts. Depending on your investment goals, you may want to choose one or more types of investment accounts. Step 5. Monitor and adjust your portfolio. The fifth and final step is to monitor and adjust your portfolio. Once you've chosen your investments and opened an investment account, it's important to monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure that it's performing as expected. If necessary, you may need to adjust your portfolio to align with changes in your investment goals or to manage risk. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to start investing for beginners. Investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, thank you for watching.